welcome back students in our history civics class, and we are going to read and understand the chapter 5. And for better understanding you have to open page number 30, 31, and please try to understand with me with my video. Okay, so today I am taking the very first part of the Delhi Sultanate. So firstly we are going to read about the uh, discuss about the Sultanate period. Actually, this is very important, very essential to know that what is the period of that era, because we also for our help in our book we have the timeline also. This is very good for you. So here the period between 12 and 6, here this is 1200. Okay, this means 1206, this is CE. Okay, so here from here and 1526 from here, okay, here to here, this is the time period is known as the Delhi Sultanate in Indian history. Okay, this is the very main point here, as the Muslim rulers who ruled during this period, this particular period, got the title actually Sultan, and with Delhi as their capital city. Okay, so the Delhi Sultanate actually saw the rise and fall of the of five dynasties. These are the five dynasty. Okay, these are the given already we have here. So in this period the Delhi Sultanate saw the rise and also falling of the five dynasties. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so very first we are now going to discuss about these dynasties. First one is the slave dynasty. Okay, so this is the time period for the very first dynasty, that is 1206 CE. From here, this is actually the first point, and you can also read from here. This is the slave dynasty. Okay, 1206 to 1290, this is the portion. Okay, this is the first portion for time period of the slave dynasty. And now the second one is the, which one is the Khilji dynasty. Okay, and the time period, of course, from starting from, of course, 1290 CE to 1320. So this is, you can see easily here. So 1320 is ended here. Okay, so this is the about the Khilji dynasty timeline. Read it properly, because you have to make this a timeline in the starting of our lesson. Okay, and the third one is Tughlaq dynasty, and what is the time period is 1320 CE to 1413. So this one is the time period of for the Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, so first one, second one and third one, these are. Now the fourth one is Sayyid dynasty, this one. Okay, and the time period, of course, here starting from the 14 and 14, from here to here, that is the 1451 CE. Okay, so these are about all about the four. And the last one, this is the Lodi dynasty. Okay, this is starting from 1451 to 1526, this one the last dynasty, and here to here. So firstly this is all about our timeline